Welcome to The Rising Ocean, humanity's final warning, the harrowing tale of our planet's most impactful crisis. Here we will venture into the deep discussions of climate change, specifically focusing on the devastating rise of our planet's sea levels. It is a pivotal warning to humanity, depicting the environmental, economic and societal threats we face if we fail to responsibly address this challenge. Join us as we explore potential solutions and the urgent call for action. It's high time we all understand our survival depends on these critical waters. 1. Understanding the unstoppable tide. The ocean, a vast and enigmatic body of water, has always been an integral part of our planet's ecosystem. However, recent shifts in climate patterns have turned this majestic entity into a looming threat. Rising sea levels, primarily fueled by the melting of ice caps and glaciers, are now posing a serious challenge to coastal communities worldwide. Imagine a giant bathtub filling up slowly. Every drop counts and contributes to an overflow. This relentless rise in sea levels is a silent yet powerful harbinger of change that humanity can no longer ignore. 2. Consequences on coastal cities. Many of the world's major cities are built along coastlines, offering economic opportunities through ports and tourism. As sea levels continue to rise, these urban areas face the imminent threat of flooding. Streets could turn into canals, homes into temporary islands. Even a small increase in sea level can drastically affect infrastructure, leading to billions in damages and displacing millions of people. It's not just a scene from a dystopian film, it's a reality slowly unfolding before our very eyes. Adaptation strategies and preventive measures are crucial at this juncture to mitigate these impending disasters. 3. The threat to ecosystems. Beyond human settlements, rising ocean levels are wreaking havoc on natural habitats. Coastal ecosystems such as mangroves, marshes and coral reefs are particularly vulnerable. These areas serve as crucial breeding grounds for several marine species, and their submersion could lead to a biodiversity crisis. Consider these ecosystems as the lungs of the ocean. Damaging them severely impacts the health of marine life. Species dependent on these habitats might face extinction, disrupting food chains and altering the balance of oceanic life as we know it. 4. Economic implications. The economic repercussions of rising sea levels are profound. Fisheries, which many coastal communities rely on, may suffer due to changes in marine biodiversity. Tourism, a significant source of income for many nations, could also take a hit as beachside resorts and attractions get affected. Moreover, infrastructure repair and the construction of protective barriers like seawalls would demand substantial financial resources. It's akin to patching a leak in a sinking ship, a challenge that requires both immediate attention and long-term strategic planning. 5. Global justice and cultural impact. One of the less discussed facets of rising oceans is its impact on cultures and communities already marginalized by societal norms. Small island nations and low-lying regions are often left to fend for themselves with limited resources. For these people, the rising ocean is not a future threat but a present reality, affecting their way of life and cultural heritage. It's a profound injustice where those who contribute the least to climate change suffer its harshest consequences. The challenge lies not just in addressing the physical impacts, but also in ensuring equitable solutions for all. 6. Technology as a tool for change. In the battle against rising sea levels, technology emerges as a powerful ally. Advanced modeling techniques help scientists predict which areas are most at risk, allowing for better preparation. Innovations in materials and construction could lead to more resilient infrastructure. Think of technology as a flashlight in a dark tunnel. It may not solve the entire issue, but can guide us in the right direction. However, technological advancements must be coupled with political will and societal commitment for them to be truly effective. 7. a collective responsibility. Solving the issue of rising oceans is not just the responsibility of scientists or policymakers. It's a collective endeavor that requires global cooperation. Every individual's actions contribute incrementally to climate change, much like raindrops filling a bucket. From reducing carbon footprints to supporting environmentally friendly policies, collective efforts can steer us toward a sustainable future. The question remains, will humanity heed this final warning and come together to save not just our planet but ourselves? 8. The time to act is now. With the evidence overwhelmingly pointing to rising sea levels as a pressing global issue, action cannot be delayed. The clock is ticking and inaction is no longer an option. It's akin to hearing the last call at a train station. You either get on board or miss the journey entirely. Every measure taken today, no matter how small, is a step toward curbing this escalating crisis. Our planet is giving us a clear warning. With each inch of rising sea, the urgency amplifies.